Guys, big celebrations for Nigerian music. 3 nominations in a row under the category of Best International Act. Burna Boy, Tenny Makanaki, and of course, Mr. Easy.
Who do you think is going to walk away with that?
I tell you why, if I'm going to follow it from the angle of performances outside the country, especially with Burna Boy's feat at Coachella this year,
Yeah.
I'm going to say it's Burna Boy.
I'm also going to say Burna. Speaking of Burna though, do you know he has signed off all social media platforms?
Yeah, for all the issues following
trended.
the altercations on social media with the touchy issues of internet fraud, who he's backing, saying
Who is
international actors signing off their lives going to.
It's been a build-up of so many things, and so he's left the internet for you guys. So you have. He's gonna come back. Everybody eventually does.
If you go back, never really has been an. Okie dokie, Radio Grooms, Radio Fams. Time check: 25 minutes gone past 5 o'clock right here. Beautiful evening in the city of Uyo. The 17th day in the month of May 2019. Friday, thank God it's Friday. The guys right here on the show, Big Bitto in the building, and of course Naomi. And not forgetting the man T-Play. That one with Olamide says, when money day. Friends good day. So talk to you guys before we go back to the radio register then. Coming to you, Raizer. How's it been? You've had people go before you from Akwa Ibom, the likes of MC Galaxy. We've had a couple of people come through the show. Unique Brothers, Ikpaudo, Libra and all that. How's it happening around the state? Is there an organized association, say P-Man Association, pushing the music for up-and-coming stars like you? What's the structure on ground?
Well, I would say that there is no structure on ground.
Really?
No visible structure I've seen so far. Because up-and-coming artists, in their way, when they start rising up, some point in time in life, they get lost. Because of there's no this sponsor, there's no this organization they can reach out to for support, financial support and moral support and stuff like that. Then at the end of the day, those talents they die.
That's not good.
So it's a big this thing to call out to everybody in the entertainment industry in Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, to form these bodies to help these up and coming talent, because you don't know, they might be the tomorrow Whiskey, they might be the tomorrow Davido.
Right.
You don't have to be a Obama, you don't have to be a Hausama, you can be from the state.
Okay, interesting to note that the P-Man is not functioning too well, like you say in your own words. I'll do my findings and let's see what we can do on Excel, because we love to promote homegrown indigenous musical talents in the state. Talk to me, T-Play.
Yes,
what's good though? First time I'm meeting you then, but I see a kind of vibe that tells me you've been doing it for quite some time.
Yeah, exactly.
How long, let's say?
Yeah, I started 2013 as a music producer.
Okay, as a producer first.
Yeah, exactly. Because there was no money that time, so I had to apply.
Man says there was no money.
I was going to talk about the money.
So I used the production to create beats and vibe on my own beats. So that's how I started.
Okay, so this is a more technical question I want to ask you, because I can't wrap my head around it. Which do you do first when you want to produce a new song? Do you do the beats first, or you come up with the tune in your head?
The lyrics.
The lyrics. Which do you
listen to the beat first? So it's the beat that will move you. But if you want to create like all those inspirational songs, you have to use keyboard or like create it by yourself. So those ones are
interesting. Talk to you, Raizer. How does it work for you?
Yeah.
Do you meet your producer and he's like, okay, this is the beat, so what can you do on it?
No, sometimes, sometimes you just go to the studio and I just find the beat very interesting, then I decide to jump on it. But most of the times, as in, just they like say, I'm just in the bedroom beating and the tune just come up.
Oh, it's time for you singing in the shower.
Yeah, the tune just come up. Then immediately I'll just go and record it on my phone.
So, is music talent you just want to nurture, or are you in it for the money? If it wasn't paid, would you be doing music?
No, I won't be doing music.
You see, he's actually pretty honest.
Nobody wants.
I like that. No, some people say, I was born singing for my mother.
Some people stay with their hobbies. Some people love to do things that give them joy.
Yeah, you do things that give you joy, but there's a certain time in your life that you need more.
You guys make those, Benjamins. Yeah. I get you.
Do something. This is what you're pushing for now, because I can see you're active on social medias, your pages on IG, Twitter, and Facebook. You run that by the listeners so they can check your music out. Just do that for me.
So, Spiritual Something, the video dropped out, yesterday night.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's out there on YouTube. You check my Instagram, that is ER_Raizer. Check my link on my bio, you're going to see the link to the video. So you click.
Guys, don't forget, when you drop a comment to social media, do include the hashtag XLDropOff Show, hashtag Thank God It's Fun Friday, and hashtag Howard Do you excel.
Hashtag Freestyle Friday.
And guys, remember, guys, on the show.
See this life no duplicating. Every minute we spend make we dance and jubilate. Thank Jah for a better day. Pray for love and blessing and grace to elevate. So we all man we sleep. Now you wait to see tomorrow. Hey, if you know you see today, make you pray for tomorrow.